guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Finally! And welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So excited to be sharing with you my content and my future plans, my future contents. Since ito nga ang aking first ever YouTube video, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Angelique. I'm a nurse based here in Dubai. And I've been here for 7 years and counting now. So for today's video, as what you have read in the description box, ayan, I have listed here the 7 questions, the WH questions in starting your YouTube career or your YouTube channel. So ano-ano nga ba yun? Ihimayin natin yan isa-isa. And hopefully guys, may matutunan kayo dito. So for our number 1 question, it is why? Bakit? Bakit nga ba gusto mong mag-start ng YouTube career or ng vlogging? You have to set your purpose. You have to know what's your purpose bago ka mag-start ng vlogging career mo. Whether it be for entertainment purposes, for educational purposes, you want to impart your knowledge, or maybe you just want to do what you love to do, like vlogging, you want to film yourself. So, kanya-kanya tayo ng purposes, guys. Sa mga nakikita kong mga vloggers, sa mga YouTubers, may kanya-kanya silang purposes eh. Yung iba gusto ng entertainment, gusto magpasaya ng tao kasi dun sila magaling. Yung iba naman, since magagaling silang mag-educate, so yun ang ginawa nilang purpose na to educate people. So as for me, I would want to share and to educate people through my vlogging, and hopefully may makuha kayo mga ideas. Number 2, which? Alin nga ba yung gusto mong maging focus at subject ng videos mo, ng contents mo? It could be food, it could be leisure, it could be entertainment, it could be sports, adventure, kahit anong mga gusto mo. Pero kailangan alam mo at mahal mo kung ano yung magiging content mo, kung ano yung magiging focus ng content mo. Kasi, pag mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo makikita as work siya eh. Hindi mo siya makikita as trabaho eh. Kasi na-enjoy mo siya. Okay? And, after answering number 2, which is which, here comes question number 3. So, referee grade 3. Okay. Question number 3 is who? Who are your target audiences? O, sino ba yung target mong manood ng content mo? So, kung sports yan, so yan yung mga athletes or mga family ng athletes, kung gusto mo, or mga aspiring athletes, ganyan. So, yan. Kailangan mo ring malaman yung mga target audiences. Number 4. Where? So, saan ka nga ba mag-shoot? Saan ka nga ba mag-film? So, itong question na to, syempre, didepende siya sa sagot mo sa question number 2, which is which. Kasi, kung ano yung subject mo, syempre, dapat related din kung saan mo siya gagawin. For example, katulad ulit nun, sa sports, sa volleyball. So, doon ka dapat sa lugar na pwede ka mapag-volleyball, which is court, or any outdoor, or pwede rin indoor court. Number 5. That is what? What are the needed tools and materials in starting your YouTube or your vlogging? Okay, so I have listed here, guys. Una sa listahan ko is yung Google account. So, kailangan may Google account ka para makagawa ka ng YouTube account. So, paano ka kasi mag-upload kung wala ka namang YouTube account? Paano siya talagang gawin, guys? And once na nagawa mo na siya, kailangan mo lang i-follow yung mga rules nila. Mahaba siyang process. I'm encouraging everyone na kung sino man yung mga gustong or aspiring na mag-YouTube or mag-vlogging, basahin natin lahat yung mga terms and conditions, ganyan, para hindi nasasayang yung effort natin. Okay? Yan. And then, doon naman tayo sa mga material things na kailangan natin in starting your YouTube channel. Siyempre, number 1 dyan sa listahan natin yung camera. Okay, Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap na ngayon, guys, kasi most of the people naman ay may mga phone cameras naman. So if you think na you can still use your phone camera, you don't need to buy a new one. But as for me, dahil gusto kong mag-invest into something na feeling ko ay magagamit ko, na feeling ko ay makakatulong sa akin ng bonggang-bongga, I opted to buy a Sony ZV-1 camera. Alam niyo ha, hindi necessaryong bumay lang or bumili. Pero yun lang ang opinion ko kasi gusto ko nga ng may mapuntahan yung pinaghirapan ko. So, I bought this camera. Okay, number 2 sa mga materials natin, yung tripod. So, yung tripod na yan, very useful yan, guys. If you're filming a content alone na kailangan mo ng may mag-handle since wala akong cameraman dahil nga alone ka, yung tripod na magsasalba sa buhay mo sa mga panahong yan. Kasi pwede mo na siya dyan, ikabit lang yung phone mo or yung camera mo, and then stay put lang siya dyan, and ikaw mag-film ka na, yun. So, magagamit mo talaga siya. Number 3 is yung selfie stick. Selfie stick, actually guys, pwede nyo naman gamitin yung kamay nyo. Ganyan, film ka, video, ganyan, or picture ka. Pero, if you want to capture a wider angle, if you want to take a photo na kita yung background nyo ng mas malaki yung sakop niya, kumbaga, selfie stick is a great help. Sobrang useful din yan. And then, last one is microphone. Actually, this microphone, hindi naman talaga siya yung necessary. Kasi lahat naman na ng phone natin ay may built-in microphone, ganyan. Pero, if you want to upgrade, if you want to make your video or your content clearer, you might consider buying a microphone. Katulad nito, guys. Actually, lapel siya. Yan. Ipa-flash ko din dito yung microphone na to, yung binili namin. Binili ko siya kasi dalawahan na siya, dalawang ganitong lapel. And sa dalawang ganito, pwede kong magamit kung may bala kang interviewin. Ganyan. Hear yung voice. Ayan. Yan yung mga basic na materials na kailangan meron tayo in starting our vlogging career or YouTube career. Wow, my career! Okay. After nyan, so, masagot mo na yung 5 yan. 5 questions na yan as to why, who, which, where, and what. So, now, let's go to question number 6. Question number 6 is when? Kailan nga ba? Kailan ba ang right timing na mag-start ng YouTube career? Kailan ka nga ba dapat mag-film? Sa tingin ko, guys, ito ay opinion ko lang. Kung sa tingin nyo ay nasagot nyo na lahat ng first 5 questions, madali nang i-answer yung number 6, yung when. It should be now, guys. Ngayon na. As in now na. Kasi, why do we have to wait? Why do we have to waste our time? Kung pwede naman na natin gawin ngayon, may means naman na tayo. Nasagot mo na yung first 5 questions mo. So, why waste your time? Ngayon na, mag-start ka na, just like what I'm doing. So, here comes question number 7. Number 7 question is, how? Ano nga ba? So, kung gusto mo nga ngayon, gusto mo nga mag-start na ngayon, paano mo nga ba sisimulan? What I did, guys, is I set up my camera, I gathered all the confidence I needed, and then samahan natin ng sipag, ng tiyaga, ng positivity, ng energy, and voila! Meron na tayong first ever YouTube video! Yes! Congratulations! You've made it this far. We've made it this far. So, ayan, sa tingin ko, itong mga questions na to, pag nasagot na natin to and nagawa natin tong video na to, napaka-fulfilling, guys. But I'm telling you, it's not an easy process and it will never be easy, I think, for beginners like me. And if you're also aspiring to become a YouTube vlogger, hindi siya madali, guys. Kasi yung process niya, katulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, you're creating your Google account, you're creating your YouTube channel, you have to make your own banner, you have to make your own intro, you have to select a song or a sound na walang copyright, of course. Hindi siya madali. But you have to endure and you have to go through the proper process para hindi rin nasasayang yung effort mo. Kasi kung gawa ka nga ng gawa ng videos and hindi ka naman nagpa-follow ng rules ng YouTube, which is kailangan nating maintindihan muna bago natin gawin yung YouTube channel natin. Kasi it's necessary, guys. It's a rule set by the YouTube. So we have to follow. Otherwise, mababaliwala yung mga effort natin. Which is yun yung iniiwasan natin. Take this opportunity to thank my mommy. Thank you so much, mommy, for encouraging me. If not for you, I think ito ay magiging plano na lang. Kasi matagal ko naman na siyang gustong gawin. Kaso lang, parang pakiramdam ko, sobrang hectic ng schedule ko. O kung meron man akong free time, hindi ko siya napupush na gawin. But because of my mom, I was encouraged and I was able to do this. And yeah, I have my first video na. Thank you so much, mommy. And thank you also to my colleagues, Grace and Joy. Thank you so much. Shout out sa inyong dalawa. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig ninyong dalawa, sa mga advices ninyo and sa mga suggestions ninyo while I'm doing my intro. Thank you so much, girls. You've been very helpful. And thank you to my partner. Thank you for the support. I hope you like this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also ring the notification bell para sa more updates and more upcoming videos. Okay? Love, Angelique! Bye! Do share. Share.